Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the brain shock detection from CT scan and MRI images. Let's open the project folder. Now the first folder for the brain dataset. Let's open. Now there are two folders, CT brain shock and MRI brain shock. Let's open the CT brain shock. Open the training folder. In the subfolder, there will be a normal and shocks. Let's open the normal folder. So it contains 1350 images. So we have trained the model on that particular images. Let's go back. Now that will be the shock. There are 844 images. Let's go back. Now the second folder is MRI brain shock. Let's open. So there are four subfolder: glioma tumor, meningioma tumor, no tumor, and pituitary tumor. Let's open one by one. So it contains 826 images of glioma tumor. Let's go back. Now meningioma tumor. It contains 822 images. Let's scroll down. Now let's go back. Third folder is no tumor. It contains 395 images. Let's go back. The fourth folder is pituitary tumor. Let's open. So it contains 827 images of pituitary tumor. Let's go back. Now the other folder is model folder, CT, BLI, LSTM, and MRI, BLSTM. Let's go back. Now the other folder is static, so that contains interface part of background image and style.css and voice.js. Let's open the template folder. So it contains the five subfolder: index.html, layout.html, result.html, upload.html, and welcome.html. So these are all the HTML code for front end part. Let's open the app.py file. So this will be the Python code where we are importing the model and predict the output. We are importing the models for the CT scan and MRI images. For the report generator. So it will generate the report as well for the CT scan and MRI images. Now this will be the training code. So this will be the complete training code for the brain stock CT scan and MRI. These all are graphs. Let's close that. Now this will be the readme folder. Flask web app, collect patient detail first and store them in SQLite. Let's the user upload either brain CT or MRI image. Run your trained efficient net plus BILSTM attention models. Generate a structured model style report of audio assistants that read instruction and results. This will be the complete project structure. Let's close that. Now let's run the python space app.py file in terminal. Python space app.py. Then hit enter. So it will generate the URL. We have to just click on that particular URL. It will open in the browser. Now let's click on the proceed button.
Welcome to Brain Imaging AI. Start by filling patient details and selecting CT or MRI,
contact
then
number,
upload a single
email,
image for prediction.
address, referring
You
physician,
can toggle audio in the
modality.
top right.
So let's enter details one by one. So we have to select for the brain CT or brain MRI. So let's select for the CT. Clinical history. Okay, let's enter demo details and just click on the save and continue to upload.
Patient details
So
say
please
now
upload
upload
the
a
image
single
for
CT
predictions.
image, then press
Let's upload.
predict.
You have to select from the Brain CT, Brain Dataset. Now we have to select from the first folder, CT training folder, and let's select for the normal. Select this image, then click on the predict button.
Prediction ready.
With
CT
that particular
result,
accuracy,
normal with
and will show
confidence
the complete structure report
92.2%.
like patient informations, examinations, and AI model output for clinical review and findings AI assisted, recommendations, limitations, model and audit info, disclaimer. You can also download the report as well. So it will download the report. Let's open that. Okay, let's close this. Now just go back.
Welcome to Brain Imaging AI. Start by
Okay,
filling patient
let's enter
details
the
and selecting
another patient
CT
detail.
or MRI, then upload a single image for prediction. You can toggle audio in the top right.
Hospital ID. Email ID. Doctor name. Modality. Brain MRI. Now click on the save and continue to upload.
Patient details
So we have to
saved. Now
images.
upload a
Let's
single
click on the choose
MRI
file.
image, then press predict.
Go for the MRI. MRI brain. Then click on training. Now meningioma tumor. Let's select this image and then click on predict.
Prediction ready.
So it will predict the
MRI
meningioma tumor
result,
with
meningioma
89.96%
underscore
accuracy.
tumor with confidence
Probability breakdown.
90%.
Okay, let's go back. Now select any other image for the MRI from the pituitary. Let's select this image and then click on predict button.
Prediction ready. MRI
Pituitary tumor,
result, pituitary underscore
88.96%
tumor with
accuracy
confidence 89%.
with the complete report. Let's go back. Now select from different folder. Let's select from no tumor. Select this image and then click on predict button.
Prediction ready.
No
MRI
tumor
result,
with
no underscore tumor with
96.94%
confidence
accuracy with the structure
96.9%.
report. Let's go back. Let's select from other folder like meningioma tumor. Let's select this image. Then click on predict button.
Prediction ready.
Predict
MRI
the meningioma
result,
tumor with
meningioma underscore tumor with
89.86%.
confidence 89.9%.
So this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.